Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Hello, welcome to our lesson on the verb to be. This verb is one of the most essential parts of the English language. It helps us describe and identify people, places, things, and states of being. Let's dive in and explore its various forms and uses. Let's learn about the verb to be. The verb to be is used in many different contexts and is fundamental to constructing sentences. It acts as a bridge, connecting the subject of a sentence to additional information about that subject. To be is very important. Without it, we wouldn't be able to express existence, identity, or characteristics. It's a small verb with a big job. It tells us about someone or something. For example, she is a teacher, or the sky is blue. These sentences wouldn't make sense without the verb to be. It describes a state of being. Whether we're talking about feelings, conditions, or locations, to be helps us convey these ideas clearly. For instance, I am happy, or they are at the park. It tells us what something is. This can include definitions or explanations such as water is a liquid or this is a pen. It tells us what something is like. Descriptive sentences like the cake is delicious or the movie is exciting rely on the verb to be to make sense. The verb to be has different forms. These forms change depending on the subject and the tense of the sentence. Understanding these forms is crucial for proper grammar. We use is, am, or are. Am is used with I, is used with singular subjects, and are is used with plural subjects. For example, I am a student, he is a doctor, and they are friends. We choose the correct form based on the subject. This ensures that our sentences are grammatically correct and easily understood by others. The subject is the person or thing we are talking about. By matching the subject with the correct form of to be, we can create clear and meaningful sentences. So remember to always pay attention to the subject when using the verb to be. We use is with singular nouns. This means that when we are talking about one person, one place, or one thing, we use the word is to describe it. A singular noun is one person or thing. It refers to just one entity, not multiple. For instance, if you see a chair, you say, the chair is here. For example, we say, he is a boy. Here, he is the subject, and it is singular. This means we are talking about one boy. He is the subject, and it is singular. Here are more examples. The cat is black. She is a teacher. In each case, we are talking about one cat and one teacher. The book is on the table. Notice how we use is to describe the location of one book. This helps us clearly communicate that there is only one book on the table. We use am with the pronoun I. This is because am is a form of the verb to be that is specifically used with the first-person singular pronoun. It helps to indicate a state of being or an action that the speaker is currently involved in. For example, I am happy or I am a student. These sentences show how am connects the subject I with a state of being or an identity. When you say I am happy, you are expressing your current emotional state. When you say I am a student, you are identifying yourself with a particular role or occupation. We use or with plural nouns. This is because are is the form of the verb to be that is used with plural subjects. It helps to indicate that the action or state of being applies to more than one person or thing. Plural nouns mean more than one person or thing. For example, students, teachers, and flowers are all plural nouns. When we use are with these nouns, we are indicating that the action or state of being applies to all of them. For example, they are students. In this sentence, they is the subject, and it is a plural pronoun. Are connects the subject with the noun students, indicating that the state of being a student applies to all the individuals referred to by they. They is the subject, and it is plural. This means that they refers to more than one person or thing. When we use are with they, we are indicating that the action or state of being applies to all the individuals or items referred to by they. We also use are with the pronoun you, whether it's one person or more. This is a unique feature of the English language. Unlike other pronouns, you can be both singular and plural, and it always takes the verb are. Here are more examples. We are at the park. You are tall, The flowers are beautiful. In these sentences, are connects the subjects we, you, and the flowers with their respective states of being or actions. This helps to clearly convey the meaning and context of each sentence. Now let's practice. Complete these sentences. He happy, they playing soccer. Remember, is for singular nouns, am is for I, and are is for plural nouns and you. Keep practicing and you will master the verb to be.